to awesomeness. Cheers.
Awesomeness Fest is not a conference. It is not a seminar. It is an experience. It truly is. It's almost like it's a lifestyle.
So if you want to feel better, you can do some Qigong really quick things like, try this. Look up, raise your eyebrows, and smile a little bit, and say, I'm so depressed.
The caliber of people is just incredible, and everyone is just so open and loving and honest, and everyone's here just to become a better version of themselves.
We're all responsible for making ourselves happy or figuring out how to get to the happiness. Unfortunately, we've all been brainwashed.
I want to show you what's possible in terms of energy. Who wants to reverse their age?
Awesomeness Fest is different to other events because you can meet a lot of people who are really, really friendly, who are really successful.
So we ended up having to go to the mayor's office, get food tickets. I'm knocking on the UN's door, getting 2 soldiers. Call Champagne, get all these tents.
Vishen's vision is limitless.
The thing I like the most about Awesomeness Fest is the mix of thinkers and feelers.
We are just spirits having a human experience.
It's a gathering of movers and shakers that you're going to be in such great company. You're going to be inspired.
I do conferences all over the world all the time. That's my life. And there's just something different about the climate of A-Fest. I know when I come that I'm going to have that delicious blend of edutainment, education, soul connection, some dancing. If I can push myself, I can stay out late at night. It's just something.
A lot of people fall in love here and find people that I don't know yet if people have gotten married because of Awesomeness Fest, but it's going to happen.
The world is our classroom and people are our assignment.
Awesomeness Fest is truly a fest. It is a festival. It is a festival of you, of just being awesome and just allowing yourself to be whoever you are, whatever that may look like for you. And it is an experience.
I'm vibrating right now. This is just amazing, amazing stuff.
So who are you? What is your truth? What is your reality?
You've got 200 people that are brilliant game changers to people that are entrepreneur-minded. They don't necessarily have to be business owners themselves, but they are game changers.
The past has created the present, so everything you are today, every decision, every indecision, every thought, everything you are today was created by your past. Your past has created your present, and your present is creating everything in your future.
We are light warriors, and we are creating the future, and it's so precious and beautiful.
Our mission is really simple. We want to change the world.
One of my favorite quotes is by Buckminster Fuller, and I want you to remember this as a model for operating in your life. You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete.
I just tell people, hey, come. It's the best excuse to hang out with like-minded people, party our faces off, learn a lot, and all these amazing side benefits come from it with the business component of it.
I've never been to an event where you can experience the luxury of paradise along with incredible networking, connecting with amazing like-minded people.
Be ready for the most amazing experience of your entire life.
I'm going back with so much light, I don't even know what to do with it all.
You have to be at Awesomeness Fest.
The tribe has spoken.